In this video from Device Doctor, we review the professional Canon PIXMA Pro-200 printer. With excellent quality and high speed, it's a great choice for photographers and graphic designers. Stay tuned as we explore all its features.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
The Canon PIXMA Pro-200 is a professional photo printer designed for photographers and graphic designers. It uses an 8-color dye-based ink system to deliver vibrant, high-quality prints with exceptional color accuracy and sharpness. Print quality and technology. With the ChromaLife 100+ ink system, prints are vibrant and long-lasting, up to 100 years when properly stored. The printer is perfect for printing professional photos and artwork with deep blacks and rich colors. The PIXMA Pro-200 offers an exceptional print resolution of 4800 by 2400 dpi, ensuring incredibly sharp and detailed images. Speed and efficiency. Despite its high-quality output, the PIXMA Pro-200 prints fast, delivering borderless A3+ prints in just 90 seconds. It's ideal for quick turnarounds on large projects. Connectivity and design. The printer offers Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB connectivity, making it easy to print from various devices. It also features a user-friendly 3-inch LCD display for easy management and maintenance. Paper handling. It supports a wide range of media types, including glossy, matte, and fine art paper, with options for borderless and panoramic prints. Supported paper sizes include A3+, A3, A4, letter, 4x6 inch, 5x7 inch, borderless, and panoramic sizes are also supported. It even supports custom sizes and has multiple paper feed options for smooth, efficient printing. Conclusion. The Canon PIXMA Pro-200 is a versatile, high-performance printer, perfect for professionals looking for vibrant, long-lasting prints with quick turnaround times. Whether you're a photographer or designer, it's an excellent choice for all your printing needs. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Device Doctor so you never miss any of our helpful videos.